Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Coded with Sarthak. Today I am back with another amazing guest for a video. So today we're going to ask a lot of questions from Tanmay Arya. He is currently working as an SDE at Amazon, but he will be sharing his experiences with the interview experience at Zomato, at Amazon in the best way possible. We will be going in depth about what kind of questions were asked, what was the total time that took from applying to the job and getting the final job offer letter, what kind of questions were asked, what was the duration of interview, how was the interviewer, and how he was able to crack these interviews, how to maintain that calm and composure and patience during the whole interview process, because it can take from 1 week to a month and beyond, right? So we will be discussing a lot about these things. In the part one, we will be discussing and focusing more about the startup experience and how interviews happen at a startup. And for that, we will be taking Zomato as an example, where he was able to get offer right away. So before starting with the video, let's thank the supporter of this channel, Newton School. सो गाइस, व्हाट इज न्यूटन स्कूल? न्यूटन स्कूल एक एडटेक स्टार्टअप है जहाँ पे यू कैन लर्न मोर अबाउट डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज आउट देयर. दे विल हेल्प यू गेट जॉब ऑफर फ्रॉम दीज टॉप टेक कंपनीज. एंड उनका एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे आपको 1 रुपया भी पे नहीं करना है जब तक आपके इन कंपनीज में जॉब नहीं लग जाता. दे हैव वेरी गुड ऑफरिंग्स विद दिस कोर्स, लाइव क्लासेस, इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोजेक्ट्स, मॉक इंटरव्यूज एंड पर्सनल मेंटरिंग. I will put the link in the description, and I suggest you all to check this out and explore their courses. Hello everyone. So today we are back with another amazing video, and today on our podcast we have Tanmay Arya, who is currently an Amazon SDE, and I will hand it back to Tanmay to explain more about his experiences and what is his current position.
Hi everyone. So I'm Tanmay Arya, currently working as an SG1 at Amazon.
Okay. So Tanmay, what before joining Amazon, what are the different options or offers you have from the various different companies? We would like to know that.
Definitely. So prior to Amazon, I was working as a SG at Camp K12, that is an edtech startup. And yeah, I had worked there for almost an year. After that, I was thinking of changing to a product-based company, big giant like Amazon only.
Mm-hmm.
So I started preparing, and yeah, I had some offers from like Zomato, Recro, and then finally Amazon.
So Zomato, कुछ interesting सा नाम लग रहा है. How was Zomato interview experience? How did you apply? And what happened in the interview? Can you explain that?
Yeah, definitely. So basically, Zomato ka experience was really different than Amazon. Like
Mm-hmm.
Zomato is a tech startup only, and
Mm-hmm.
the fun thing about startup is that they mostly judge you on your development skills rather than on your problem solving skills.
Mm-hmm.
They judge you on your development skills. Since I was working at a startup only, so I had an experience of React. And my Zomato interview and almost everything in Zomato was related to React and the web development part. So that
Mm-hmm.
was different. Apart from the process was like Zomato doesn't have a career page, so you cannot directly go for an opening or directly apply for an opening. You can only apply through a referral.
Okay.
So for that you need to connect or get a referral via LinkedIn or any of your social platforms. So I got a referral from a friend.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I have sent him my video of in my intro video.
Mm-hmm.
They selected my video and they scheduled a interview round for me. Generally, there are 2 rounds in Zomato, what they have in general process. But
Mm-hmm.
mine first round was almost in 1.5 hour long. So he collaborated like he skipped the second round and gives me the result in the first round only.
Okay. काफी interesting. So एज अ स्टार्टअप किसी का इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस कितना चेंज हो सकता है? फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर सेइंग कि वहां पे करियर पेज पे ओपनिंग ही नहीं होती, आपको ओपनिंग के लिए वाया रेफरल ही जाना पड़ सकता है. सो एंड यू मेंशनड दैट यू हैव टू रिकॉर्ड अ वीडियो स्पेसिफिकली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. तो ये कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग सा लग रहा है. जनरली स्टार्टअप में ऐसा होता है कि आप अप्लाई करते हैं, सिलेक्शन हो जाता है. और ऑल्सो यू मेंशन दैट सिंस Zomato द स्टार्टअप, दे हाईली फोकस ऑन योर डेवलपमेंट स्किल्स एंड नॉट द DSA पार्ट और द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग इन दैट
Yeah.
डेप्थ. तो how would you suggest कि जो first part है, जो video recording वाला part है, like वो क्या था, उसमें कैसे क्या mention किया आपने? How long was that video?
No, that video is done only to judge your confidence and to know what exactly you are at and
Mm-hmm.
what exactly you are doing. So it was simple an introduction where you are currently working, what you have previously done, and on what products or projects you have worked on. So
Mm-hmm.
a video kind of that only a 1.5 minute long video, not more than that.
Mm-hmm.
Simple introduction video, to get a better idea of how confident you are and what exactly the projects you have done and are they
Mm-hmm.
relevant to them or not.
Okay. And if we move to the next part, तो आपने जब इंटरव्यू वीडियो सबमिट किया उसके कितना टाइम बाद आपको इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आ गया एंड लाइक
I got a call within a week,
अच्छा
and the interview was scheduled just within 2 days.
ओके
And yeah,
तो बेसिकली आपको सिर्फ 2 दिन का प्रिपरेशन का टाइम मिला एंड यू सेड कि द इंटरव्यू इज मोस्टली फोकस्ड ऑन डेवलपमेंट सो हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस वर देयर एंड हाउ मेनी इंटरव्यूअर्स वर देयर इन द पैनल
so I had only one interviewer. That was the manager level. And yeah, the interview I would say is that was the best interviewer I have ever seen. He made me so comfortable. Like started with just introduction, then asked about everything, how his family and all. He just really made me comfortable. And the part where the most of the candidates suffer is that nervousness. He removes that from your. So that's, I guess, the best part of the interview. So if you are comfortable, you are in more confident way. You are answering in more confident way, and you are able to solve problems in that manner only. So I guess that's the best part. So my interview started with some logical questions around simple mathematics or logical questions. Then I had one medium question, one easy to medium question in normal DSA, and yeah, there was no stress in that question. But then after he started with the React thing, as I had a previous experience in React. So he had some inner inside questions that you can only know if you have worked in React.
ओके
Oh, okay. So after React, he have questioned me in JS, and JS is something like you cannot be the master at. So there are always some concepts where JS will give you some point of exceptions and which you don't even expect.
राइट
So that's the thing. Yeah,
हाँ तो जेएस काफी डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज है काफी कंफ्यूजिंग लैंग्वेज है उसमें ऐसे कोई मास्टर नहीं हो सकता बट मैं यू मेंशन दैट
exactly.
मोस्टली पार्ट आपका रिएक्ट बेस्ड था इंटरव्यू का वाज देयर एनी डीएसए बेस्ड क्वेश्चन और इज इट ओनली solely focused on the development part or the react part of interview like
There was one question on DSA,
Mhm.
one simple question. You can say like if you have done basic college level DSA, you will be good to go. You don't have to practice only Geek for Geeks or HackerRank or any other platform. You will
Mhm.
be good to go with the college level of DSA.
Okay.
Like you can say easy medium level. All right. And
Mhm.
apart from that, on React, yeah, the level was pretty high. As in, they were testing for React only because the front
Mhm.
end of Zomato is React and the
Mhm.
back end is Go and PHP, Golang and
Okay.
PHP.
Okay, so they were specifically looking for a person who is very good at the development part and not with the DSA. Like a person who knows basics about DSA can easily crack if he has good developmental skills. Is that what I'm
Yeah,
getting?
basically they were just judging ki, if the person that is sitting on that side can solve a problem, like can if thrown a random problem can solve a
Mm-hmm.
problem. It was more of a how basic do you know. Like it wasn't the question wasn't about basically DSA. You can say that after the DSA we were discussing the complexities and how this complexity is getting like the complexity is often, but the iterations
Mm-hmm.
are twice. So how does it impact? And that kind of discussions were there. After
Okay.
that, uh, it was mainly followed by the major part was React and JS only.
Okay. And if I have to ask, like, for the development part or the further the problem solving questions, what was it the pattern of the question? Like, is it like a discussion based question, or was it like you have to code it in front of the interviewer then and there as well?
I have to code it in front of them. Basically, first there was a discussion, and then
Mm-hmm.
based on my solution, and after the optimization, I have to code it in both the cases, even in the DSA and for the React as well.
Okay. So
React and React slash JavaScript.
okay. तो बेसिकली इंटरव्यू ने जब आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा था, एक डिस्कशन हुआ होगा कि सोल्यूशन के अप्रोच करने के लिए, एंड व्हेन यू हैव अराइव्ड एट द सोल्यूशन व्हिच इज एक्सेप्टेबल टू द इंटरव्यू, तो आप ही माइट हैव दैट यू हैव टू कोड इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पर्सन, लाइक was it a code editor like on your local laptop? Was it a proper notepad
It
kind
was
of
a Google
situation?
Doc. It
Okay.
was basically an online Google Doc, and yeah, he was viewing from his screen, and I was, writing on my screen and all.
So I think for the students or for the viewers, it is a very important thing कि आपने if you are practicing more and more on IDs, you have to shift, you might have to write code on Google Doc. So autocomplete वाला जो feature है वो हर जगह नहीं चलेगा. You have to focus more on writing based on your knowledge, based on your experience. Like
Yeah.
it could be simple as a notepad or Google Doc, as Tanna mentioned. Okay.
Yeah,
And
definitely. So you must practice on, the Google Docs of kind of thing where you must, have a practice to write code, have a proper indentation and all.
okay. And was there any other feedback discussion like how was the interview? You can say in the end how was it, or what were the main questions that were not coding related? If I have to say, was there any part of that?
Yes, there was, the questions why Zomato and exactly what, encourages me for the Zomato thing
Mhm.
and questions like that.
Okay. So if you are going to interview, आपसे सिर्फ कोडिंग वाले नहीं, नॉर्मल जनरल क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल लॉजिकल लर्निंग वाले, फॉर एग्जांपल why Zomato or why that startup or why that company, what made you shift towards coding or software development, इस टाइप के. Okay.
Exactly. Basically,
And
जो सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस थे ये मोस्टली सेकेंड राउंड में होते हैं, बट सिंस मैंने आपको बताया कि मेरा उन्होंने एक ही राउंड में फाइनल कर दिया था, तो वो राउंड काफी लंबा चला, 1.5 hours, बट एट द एंड ही टुक माय फीडबैक, देन ही गिव्स हिज फीडबैक, एंड उसने मुझे, मतलब उन्होंने मुझे उसी राउंड के एंड में बता दिया था कि व्हाट इज हिज फीडबैक about me, and HR will connect with me, and the same thing happens. Like after 2 days, HR connected with me, and
okay.
yeah, she offered me the
Okay.
offer.
So basically, आपने पहले दो, if I have to conclude on the the जो whole process, you have to first go via a referral process. Then you have to submit your own recorded video, and then the interview got scheduled like 2 days or a week after that, and then after that 2 3 days you got the final feedback from the HR. Was there any other process or any step that I missed?
No,
Okay. So
that's the whole process.
इस पूरे प्रोसेस में टोटल कितना टाइम लगा आपको फ्रॉम अप्लाइंग टू गेटिंग द फाइनल जॉब ऑफर लेटर?
2 weeks.
Okay. So as you can see that startup may generally they have a very fast process. If they find that the candidate is good enough, they might skip the second round. They will give you the offer letter as soon as possible whenever the round concludes. Okay, we got a lot about about the Zomato interview experience. Like how was the Zomato? So with this, we come to the end of this video, part 1 with Tanmay Arya. He was able to explain a lot of things that were around the startup interview experience. What was the questions like? How was the interviewer made him comfortable during the video? And how he was able to get a good glimpse of how the experience is going to be. How he was able to crack the developmental questions and DSA questions. What was the mix and the ratio behind that? And I hope you got to learn a lot about it. If you want to explore a good Zomato opportunities, you can reach out to different people, and I recommend that you cannot go directly via the career page. So try to reach the other people via LinkedIn and other portals so that they can refer you. All the best for your Zomato interviews. If you like this video, I would suggest if you can and if you really like this video, I would suggest if you can subscribe my channel and share this video with all your folks who are going to apply for Zomato and other relevant startups. It will be helpful for them, right? So with this, I take leave. Bye bye.